So I called him over for dinner. I mean, why not? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Michelle. If you clicked on this video, why not subscribe? I promise you it's a vibe. If you rock with me, I rock with you, which means we locked in for life, and that's on period. In today's video, I'm gonna be cooking it up, whipping it up, chopping it up. I know you guys like when I do cooking videos, so I was like, why not do it today? Your girl is hungry, so I figured why not cook and chop it up with you guys and talk. On today's menu is gonna be some steak, mashed potatoes, and some veggies on the side. Initially, I was gonna do it in my air fryer, but your girl left it at her mom's house. We just gonna make it do what it do, and I'm gonna cook it on top of the stove, or I could do it in a broiler. Either way, it's gonna be a success because your girl does this in the kitchen. Call me Chef Shells, period. Also, make sure you stay tuned and watch the whole entire video because as you guys can tell by the title of the video, I have a special guest that's about to be eating with your girl as well. So you don't wanna miss it. Hopefully everything's a go, good vibes only, positivity all 2022. We're gonna let everything just ride the wave, do what it needs to do. But with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we're gonna get right into this cooking video. First things first, wash the hands, and then we're gonna wash off the steak. I couldn't find the thick steak that I was looking for, so I just got this. This is the beef boneless strip steak. Matter of fact, I need gloves. Y'all know how I feel about touching meat. If y'all been rocking with me, y'all been rocking with your girl, you know how I feel about touching meat. I'm not playing. So, for the seasoning, we're gonna do it real basic. I'm real simple. I just do a little bit of black pepper. Put a little bit of black pepper on there. I don't really like it too hot, but you know that gives it a nice little tasty taste. Then we're gonna take a little bit of some Morton salt, because you know, you gotta season your beef. To me, I'd rather have it unseasoned than to have it overly seasoned, because if it's too salty, then you can't eat it. So, flip it over, repeat after me. Throw that Morton's on there. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of, garlic powder. I have a little bit of garlic clove as well, so we're not gonna make it too salty because the garlic is really gonna make it taste good. We're gonna let this sit for a little bit. I should marinate it for a couple of minutes. Then we're gonna work on the mashed potatoes. This is the key right here. The garlic is the key, so I'm gonna chop up some of this and we're gonna put it into the pan. We're gonna add a little bit of butter. I wish I had some thyme, whatever. Y'all know what I'm talking about, that green stuff. That really gives it the flavor. Right now, I'm just gonna take a little bit of butter. We're gonna take some butter. I'm gonna throw that butter in the pan. We're gonna throw that butter in the pan. Because you don't want your steak to stick, okay? You want your steak to be as tender as possible. Put that garlic in there, baby. I should have put some onions. We're gonna put the top on this. We're gonna put it on low. Turn it down, let it simmer, let it cook all the way through because you want it to melt in your mouth. Drop the potatoes in. Rule number 1. Sanitize after having meat in your sink. If you don't, I don't know what you're doing, but I don't play with none of this. Your girl got some Jimmy Dean bacon. Why the bacon, right? I'll tell you exactly why. Go with the steamed fresh green beans. Now, normally I like the long cut and I like the fresh cut. I ain't feel like splitting the peas today. I ain't feel like passing the peas. We doing it quick. Like I said, I'm on the time. I got like an hour to prepare this. So if you need some flavor and your string beans don't give it to you, get you some bacon. It don't have to be Jimmy Dean. This one was on sale. But put the bacon, cook it in the bottom of your pan for a little bit. Cook it some. Then you add the string beans and then you put your seasonings. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. Let that cook a little bit, you know, let it get hot, let it warm up. Cook your bacon all the way. Don't want to get sick eating that raw pork, so make sure you cook your pork all the way. Little garlic. You want to season it. Put a little Lowry's in there, a little seasoning salt. We like flavor over here. Definitely have a sweet tooth, so you already know you gotta top the dinner off with something sweet. So your girl gonna be making that good old Betty Crocker super moist yellow with some good old milk chocolate. Let's check these potatoes. They're almost done. Another 5 minutes, because these are thick. These are some big mama jammas. The only thing I forgot was candles, so you think that's extra. I don't know, I'm just trying to make it nice. I'm somebody who likes to just go hard or go home. It's just like, I don't like to half step, no matter what it is, who it is. If I'm gonna do something for somebody, I like to give it my all. I wanna be unforgettable. I'm sweating, it's hot as hell in this kitchen. I'm about to take this whole damn one piece off. You know when your oven's on, it's hot as hell. The whole house be hot. I'm sweating, like y'all see it? When my forehead starts, yeah, it's hectic in here. I have like 30 minutes. I told him 7 o'clock sharp. Pronto. You're not here by 7 o'clock, then it's canceled. If I had planned an event for you, you're late, that's a slap in the face. That's the worst thing you could do. Potatoes is done. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some salt. Don't be afraid to season that either, because I like my potatoes with season. I usually do a taste tester just to see how, you know, how salty it is or whatever. A little bit of pepper. Of course, butter, no margarine, honey. The potatoes are super hot right now, so it's gonna melt on its own. I'm gonna add a little bit of milk and we're gonna blend. Tell me I'm not the best. I told him 7 o'clock and I'm done with everything by 6:48. Don't play with me. I does this. So dinner is done. He should be here any minute. I texted him and told him that he can come. So hopefully he's on time. He got literally 5 minutes. It's 6:55. It's y'all. That's him right now. Y'all have to do. Well, hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? You hungry?
Yeah, thanks for inviting me.
Of course. Dinner's right here. You can. Well, did you wash your hands? I'm gonna let you work. I'm all right. I'm gonna let you freshen up, and then I'll give it to you, and then I'll do. So come. So this is your dinner. I know you love steak, so I also made a cake too, cause you know you gotta have that.
Hold on.
I know how you feel about my cake.
Take a little break.
That cake is busting too. I already know.
How do you know?
I know it is. I'm too good at this. This is what I do.
I need some of that. You got a fork or?
My bad. Wait, because I was trying to make sure everything was all together. Give me 1 second. You want a knife?
Nah, I'm about to just go in first.
What you gonna try?
What you want to try first? The potatoes, mashed potatoes? Or
Whatever you want to try.
My mouth is watering right now. So.
You didn't eat all day? Yeah?
That's just like I like it. You know that.
Yeah?
Only mashed potatoes I eat.
So what do you give it? The mashed potatoes.
You rating this?
I mean, I want to make sure you enjoyed it.
It's like a 10. I don't know. That steak. Let's see what that steak talking about. That's what I've been missing.
Yeah?
Yeah, you might have I don't know, you might have a house guest tonight after this one.
Wait, what are you implying? What you trying to sleep over? You got a sleeping bag?
Might need one. I could just connect the chairs. You can connect the chairs?
My bad, I was trying to do the whole candle scene, but I didn't have no candle, so I was like, whatever.
You want to eat with me?
Yeah, I just wanted to see if you liked it. I honestly was like trying to get everything together, and I know it's been a minute or whatever, so I was just trying to worry about you really. And honestly, remember our little luncheon wasn't the best. It was kind of like a fail, so I was like, you know what, let me just take it back like old days and just cook. Right, and cook. And I know how much you used to enjoy my food, so I was just like,
I used to. Nothing changed.
I mean, when's the last time you actually have?
That department ain't nothing changed.
So this pretty much wraps up the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed cooking with your girl, I'm about to sit down and eat.
Yeah.
And make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.